In this video, I'm going to explain how you can transfer money from HSBC to another bank. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, you will need to log in. You want to open up the HSBC mobile app or the online banking. Then you will have to choose account. You will tap the account you want to send money from. The third step will be adding a payee. You will click on New Payee and enter the recipient's bank name, account number, and the sort code. The fourth step will be reference. You want to type a short message, what the money is being sent for, rent or gift, and then you have to enter the amount. You want to type how much you want to send. Next, make sure you review all the details, double check everything, verify. You will use your security code, PIN, or digital secure key. And then you will send the money. You will just want to click on confirm or send, and a confirmation screen will be displayed. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.